Hello everyone, it's Ariel. So in today's video I'm going to try something a bit different, and I do hope that you find this somewhat relaxing. I am going to do some various ballet movements and some repetitive movements which have sweeping sounds, some don't, but they could be relaxing in the way that I point my toes and the way the ballet shoes, the leather of the ballet shoes makes when it's touching this flooring. So this flooring is kind of tricky to be kind of fluid. So I don't have any of the rosin, but I'll try my best and hopefully you will like this. So without further ado, let's begin. So hello, welcome to Ariel ASMR's relaxing ballet performances. Well, this is more repetitive movements. So my calf muscles here are absolutely caning like crazy. These muscles here and here are strengthening and toning, as are my legs and basically like the waist and everything. It's a very physical kind of hobby interest, and I think it's better than going to the gym in that sense, and I enjoy this much more than going to the gym. So I'm wearing these ankle warmers to keep the muscles here warm. When I'm warming up, I usually wear these leather ballet shoes and I use ribbons. I don't use the elastics, I use ribbons. And so I don't do point work because point shoes are responsible for giving me ingrown toenails, which is absolutely delightful. Well, they're slightly ingrown, shall I say. And I wear a black leotard, I have a pink leotard, and I have a shrug which goes on your shoulders and your arms, warming up your shoulders and your arms during warm-ups. So in my dance studio we have a full ballet studio with the mirrors and the 2-3 bars, and I have my very own one here, my no expenses spared ironing board, the cheap shit special from Argos. So what I'm doing now is I'm really quite flexible, my legs are straight, and I'm just leaning forward, stretching the backs of my knees, and just with my hands on the floor, palm face down, I can really feel it stretching. And then just do a couple of these. It's important to warm up before you begin. That implies to going to the gym. If you do football, hockey, rugby, gymnastics, even horse riding, even the horse needs warming up sessions. Okay, so first of all I'm going to show you the 5 ballet positions. I hope you can hear my voice. So, first position, second position, third position. Fourth position. And fifth position. So your feet should be nice and straight. Nice and straight. Forward and back. Forward and back. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So I can really feel my butt muscles really working really hard, as well as my thighs. You have to be reasonably strong, and ultimately that does happen in doing ballet. Always finish in first position. If you're wondering what this is in the background, it's a room diffuser. I like to call them jizzers because they exude some like white smoke. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, round, back, round, back. Turn, turn, first. Turn, turn, first. Turn, turn, first. Now we 1, 2, 3, 4. Rising down, rising up, and rising down, and rising up, and rising down. This is warming my calf muscles, strengthening my calf muscles, warming up my ankles, my Achilles heel, all the tendons in my feet. It's warming them all up as well. 1, 1, just like that, and up, back, down, down, down. Okay. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. And I'm now going to go into fifth. And we're going to go into third. And we're going to go into second. And into first. Out. And into third. third. So that's it for today's video. And it's a really bizarre ASMR, but like I said, I thought I'd try for a change. So I'm going to be doing a gaming walkthrough video soon, and of course the Q&A. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel, it means such a lot to me, and do leave a comment. So I'll see you next time. Bye.